Hi everyone, I'm sharing with you my another what I eat in a day. This is a classic comfort food for me, but I also think it is pretty healthy. I will start off by showing you my overnight oats. It's very quick and very refreshing for summer days. All I do is add some oats to the jar, and then I add some chia seed and some roasted black sesame, which is great for your hair and skin. And then I top it up with some oat milk and some honey. A great tip for not letting your honey stick to the spoon is by spraying it with some cooking oil, and then I refrigerate it overnight. This is the next morning. I am starting it off with my black coffee as usual, and then topping up with some strawberries and some pineapple. And oh my god, this is really so refreshing. For lunch, I'll be cooking some pasta in pesto sauce. You'll just need to throw in some fresh basil leaves, some garlic, and I'll be using my chopper to put the sauce together, and then adding some olive oil, some black pepper, some salt, and some lemon just for freshness. And then I'll be adding cashews today because I don't have pine nuts, and I like to make extra and store it in a jar, which can be kept for 4 to 5 days. Now I'm just going to be chopping up some chicken breast and some shiitake mushroom and some garlic. Now I'm going to be sauteing this in a pan before I add my pasta, and about 3 tablespoons of pesto sauce. And there, my lunch is ready. So I'm just going to be finishing my lunch outside. I have got this lemonade too. It's amazing to just sit outside and have my lunch. So for snack before dinner, I'm just going to be chopping up some watermelon, and I'm also going to be using this matcha from the brand Matchazuki. It is really smooth, not at all bitter, and the greenest matcha I've ever tried. Just going to be pouring some hot water and whisking it. I'll be using oat milk today, and then just topping it up with matcha, and look at that brilliant color. Now it is raining and I am craving for some rice noodle soup. So first off, I'll just be adding some ground pork into some filtered water to make pork stock. Then I'll be adding some oyster sauce to it, some soy sauce, some sugar, some white pepper, and a little bit of vinegar. Then now I'll be preparing my rice noodle. All I need to do is soak this up for about 15 minutes and put it in the boiling water later on. I'll be chopping up some veggies for now. This is called guangtung in Thai, and I'll be chopping up some spring onions as well to give it a nice aroma in my soup. Now I'll just be dipping in this rice noodle into the boiling water, just a quick dip. And then also dipping my veggies inside. I like the texture to still be there, so it's just going to be a quick one because I like the crunchiness of the veggie. Now I'm just going to be pouring the soup into my bowl. And adding some vegetables on the side. Putting some spring onions and some fried garlic and some soya sauce, which is pretty spicy. And there you have it. My dinner is ready. I'm going to be fixing another bowl for myself, and one bowl is for Vicky. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in future.